50 plus miles an hour, you can hear it. Hey yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Chad bringing y'all another video, man. And in this video we're going to be installing the, I think it's Noble Racing whistle BGone kit to my Subaru 2022 Subaru WRX, just because that this wing, this STI wing that I got from Aeroflow, like I said, it does make this little whistling noise. Super annoying. They told me at one point they were coming out with a bracket for it, and that they were gonna actually mail it to me. They never mailed me a bracket. I haven't seen a bracket. I've emailed them, you know, but it is what it is. So Noble Racing, I saw release this kit. The kit comes with the applicant spray. It comes with these patches that you're gonna use later on in the video. I'm gonna show you guys every single step, as well as the little squeegee brush to get the applicant out from underneath the film. They bought the film too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm gonna run a clip real quick so you guys can see what my car is sounding like anytime I go past basically like 45-50 miles an hour. What's up, y'all? To give y'all an example of the whistling sound, listen. Y'all hear that? And it really only happens when I get upwards to like 45 to 50 plus miles an hour, you can hear it. Hear that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave you on the back seat so maybe you can hear it better if the video wasn't that clear. And then yeah, you guys can just let me know if you guys hear it. Like I said, it's super annoying. I don't like it, but I have been, you know, using it so far. I'm also gonna show you guys where the screws are that I'm gonna be so like that's underneath right there. So like if you're looking at the wing like this, these are all separate pieces. This is separate from this, so I'm gonna be taking these screws out as well as on this side, then applying it. The reason that the wing actually makes a whistling noise are these lines right here. For some reason these lines cause the wind to go into them and make it whistle. So this film is going to go across this actual part right here, and then the little exposed parts, we're just going to put the little fabric pieces on those, and that's basically supposed to fit. So yeah, I'm going to be recording this. Dad's going to be helping me, trying not to get him in the video because I know he doesn't want to be in the video. And yeah, y'all about to see me customize my car again. I've been doing this on my channel for a little minute now, so yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're about to take off the screws. We lifted up the trunk area so that way it'll be easier to see here. As you can see, like, we just loosened the screws a little bit, and then we'll be taking it off. So yeah. So after you take off the little panel with the other screws, as you see in the inside, it's 3 other pieces. I guess that's where he had to, you know, carve it out when he actually put the wing on. And yeah, we got to take like a ratchet and get those out because yeah, they're pretty much in there and then replace them. So we tried to use the hand ratchet to actually get through there, but a part of what we have going on, the way we had it drilled, the dude put it on, like I had somebody install the wing, the way he installed it, the hand ratchet is not going to be able to go through the hole to do it. So we're just about to take off the entire wing and just do it that way. So yeah. All right, so we've had some technical difficulties. All right, so what has happened is we tried to use the ratchet, right, to well, my dad tried to use the ratchet to ratchet up into the hole, unscrew the bolt so we can get the wing off. The ratchet tool, like this, fell off in the hole, and now it's like kind of lost somewhere in my trunk, like behind where the holes are. So we're trying to figure out how we can get it out, because the ratchet's like, the little piece, it's like this big. So I don't really know how we're gonna get it out. We're looking for some magnets right now so we can, but it is looking like this is going to be a new problem. So instead of whistling, we're gonna hear rattling. But I'm gonna try to get it out, because I literally probably can't do that. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do now. And because this looks like it's gonna get too complicated trying to take the wing off because of how it was installed, because we didn't actually install it, we're gonna just try to spray the application, put the film on there while the whole thing's still on there, and do it like that. All right, so now we're gonna just spray the applicant all the way across liberally. Then we're gonna add the film and then squeegee it, and we'll try to get out the ratchet some other time, but yeah. All right, now we're gonna do the film. So in the video, this part right here, this is supposed to go over the lines on the back of the wing. You see the lines. I'll have to show you once we put it on there. So this is a lot harder than we thought it was, but we did put the piece on. It's not exactly how the guy in the Noble Racing video did, but we do have to just work with what we have. It's DIY. That is the plastic piece on there. We've been squeegeeing it. It does have to like evaporate and dry, which it will get like most of the air out of here once it evaporates and dries. And yeah, we do have it covering one hole here. And this one, it almost does, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still put the black little sticky thing over this one and this, and then yeah, it's basically on there. But we'll have to see when I drive it. All right, so it's dried now, and it's all on there. So it's still a few bubbles, but it doesn't even matter. So now we're gonna apply the little things. It has to be right there on the little grooves, and I'll show you guys me doing that. All right, so I don't know if you can see, but right here there's like a little gap for this little piece that's not covered, and I'm just gonna put it right here. That's because in the video theirs wasn't showing, but theirs was showing, but ours isn't. But it doesn't even matter, I'm still gonna put it on there anyway. All right, so that's one tab, as you see, right there on the little line. Then we're gonna do the next tab. So basically it looks like that. That's it. It's all done now. It's all the way across from the outside. I mean, you could tell it's like some plastic on there, but I mean, that's if you really trying to look that hard. Probably could get a few more air bubbles out, but for the most part it is done. I just have to do a sound test, see if we can still hear the whistle. All right, so same way I tested the sound quality before, I'm gonna test it again now. Sorry, I'm so sweaty. It's so hot out here, it's ridiculous. But I'm about to put the phone in the back and let you guys see. So yeah, we'll take it for a spin. Hopefully it's gonna work. Hopefully. I don't hear no whistling. It's been reduced a lot. It makes a tiny bit of noise, but it's nothing like what it used to make. Alright, you guys, so I don't hear the whistling sound anymore, which is kind of weird. You know, I'm so used to it. I heard it for a slight bit on my way, like maybe 1 second of the whistling noise. When I first started getting up to 50, 60, I was going 70 at like basically this little road, and no whistle. Now what's crazy is if you're quiet and you just listen, you can actually hear where like the sound is now hitting the little film that I put across it from Noble Racing. And that film, you can hear like the fact that because it's covering up that certain part, that's where the whistling noise is actually coming from. Because if you listen closely and you're silent, you can hear like wind hitting the film, but it just like dampens it completely. To where like I'm able to drive now it's upwards to 70 to 80 miles an hour, and I'm having no issues whatsoever. So yeah, shout out to Noble Racing. They constantly are doing things to innovate. Like I said, I mean, you can see it on, and you can see how I put the little pieces right there that they told us to, and you keep going. I think that it looks really nice. I mean, you can't even tell really, just like standing here looking at it. But shout out to Noble Racing. I also got my brake light kit from them. And I'm just happy that someone came out with a fix for that whistling noise, because Lord knows I do not like hearing that. But if you guys have liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, you know, leave a comment down below if you guys have a comment on anything. Or it looks like my baby's clean, she looking clean, bullet looking good. Been your boy Chad. I'm out. Peace.